Did you know that some plants not only decorate your home, but are also believed to attract abundance and prosperity? In this video from the Daily Eco, we'll show you 10 plants that bring money and good fortune. Let's begin. 1. Swedish ivy. This trailing plant with shiny round leaves is very popular in Feng Shui, since rounded shapes symbolize abundance and flowing energy. Known scientifically as Plectranthus verticillata, it grows quickly, is easy to care for indoors, and propagates with ease. Its common name says it all. The money plant is meant to attract prosperity. 2. Ceiba tree. In many Mesoamerican cultures, the ceiba is a sacred tree that connects the earthly and spiritual worlds. It's said to host protective nature spirits. Species of the genus ceiba are seen as symbols of abundance, and caring for one is essential. In Santeria traditions, the way you treat a ceiba reflects your relationship with prosperity. 3. Rosemary. Beyond being a culinary herb, rosemary has long symbolized good luck and protection. In Spain, there's a saying, Romero, Romero, que salga lo malo y entre lo bueno. Rosemary, rosemary, let the bad go out and the good come in. Rosmarinus officinalis is perfect to keep at home to invite positive energy and harmony. 4. Lucky bamboo. Although not a true bamboo, Dracaena sanderiana is one of Feng Shui's most iconic plants. Grown in water, the number of stalks has different meanings. To attract money, it's said you should have 7, 8, 9, or 21 stalks. It's easy to care for and very decorative. Ideal for offices or indoor spaces. 5. Tulsi or holy basil. Native to India, Ocimum tenuiflorum is considered sacred and is known as the money multiplier. Used in altars and rituals to attract prosperity. It also offers medicinal benefits such as reducing anxiety and acting as an antioxidant. Its leaves can even be brewed into tea. 6. Jade plant. This succulent, Crassula ovata, is a classic symbol of abundance. Its fleshy round leaves resemble small coins. Hardy and long-lived, it adapts well to indoor conditions, making it perfect for placing at the entrance of your home or near your workspace. 7. Red anthurium. In Feng Shui, red represents wealth, passion, and vital energy. Anthurium andrinum not only adds color to any corner, but also helps balance home energy. It thrives indoors, even in low light, and can bloom in partial shade. 8. Aloe vera. Both aloe vera and aloe maculata are widely used for protection against negative energy. It's recommended to place them at the entrance of the home. Tying red ribbons to their leaves is believed to boost their power, and burying coins in the soil is said to enhance prosperity. 9. Chinese money plant. Pilea peperomioides is famous for its round leaves and compact shape, perfect for desks or shelves. According to tradition, placing a coin at its base increases its ability to attract wealth. It's easy to care for, highly decorative, and fits perfectly in modern interiors. 10. Ferns. Ferns are also considered protectors of wealth. Placed near the entrance, they help preserve the fortune you already have and attract new opportunities. Varieties like the Boston fern or river fern are hardy and decorative choices. If you want to continue learning about plant care, don't miss the playlist we've left here. Tell us, do you have any of these plants at home? See you next time, ecologists.